Our project focuses on developing a computer vision enabled drone system to streamline flood rescue operations. Floods often leave rescue teams struggling with delayed informations and unclear priorities.
Our solution captures aerial visuals of flood affected areas and classifies them into red, yellow and green zones based on urgency. Red zone signify immediate attention, yellow zone indicate moderate emergencies and green zone represents safe areas.
This system helps rescue teams prioritize their efforts, ensuring faster and more effective responses. By providing real-time data, our project aims to save lives and optimize resources allocation during critical situations. This project enhances flood rescue efforts by developing a system that supports faster, better decision-making. Stakeholder insights shape the design through detailed documentation, ensuring clarity. Tasks were organized to stay on track and user feedback to find the app's features. The result is a system that improves rescue efficiency and prioritization during floods.
Hearing the stories of rescue officials who risk everything during floods is truly humbling. Their struggles to prioritize and act quickly inspired us to create a solution. By analyzing real-world data and labeling images, we are designing a system that supports rescue teams in making faster, life-saving decisions. The goal is clear: to help save lives when every second counts.
Our project uses AI and computer vision to improve flood rescue efforts. A drone captures real-time visuals, analyzes them and sends key insights to an app. This helps rescue team prioritize and respond quickly. The system is designed for clarity, making crucial information easy to access during emergency. By streamlining the rescue process, this project shows how technology can save time, improve efficiency and save lives.
This is the user interface for our app DroneAid, where the authorized rescue officials enter the user ID and password to securely access the app, ensuring data privacy and restricted use. After logging in, users are greeted with the main dashboard. From here, they can navigate to various zones using the buttons provided on the interface.
Red zones indicating immediate rescue needs. By clicking the arrow button at the top right, users can access the categorized zones. Yellow zones for moderate emergencies and green zones which are safe areas. This classification helps rescue teams prioritize their efforts effectively.
Clicking the user logo at the top right opens the user profile section. Here, officials can see their user ID and have the option to log out. When the logout button is clicked, the app securely takes them back to the login page. Throughout this journey, we have learned that teamwork is the foundation of success.
This project wouldn't have been possible without collaboration.
And we are proud of what we have achieved together.
Thank you.